and welcome to Creative Moments by G. Happy Valentine's Day! We are going to work with a free stamp set that you can get in celebration with Stampin' Up. It is so cute. Look at this adorable card. Isn't he cute? It's our little otter, and we've combined it with a few other dry embossing and stamp sets that you can get. Let's go ahead and head down to the crafting table and I'll show you what we're using to create this adorable card. We will be using this beautiful embossing folder painted texture. We're also going to use the bouquet of love. We're going to use the bouquet of love dies to cut out this beautiful die and the smaller one. We're also going to use this awesome otter that you can get free in the celebration catalog, and this beautiful paper, Simply Marvelous, that is just so pretty. The first thing you're going to need to do is get a base card. And remember, all our measurements will be listed over on Creative Moments by G. All you have to do is go to our website and click on My Blog. So the first thing we need to do is cut a mat, and we ran it through that dry embossing folder. Look how beautiful that is. So pretty. It gives you that textured effect. We're going to use our glue and adhere that to our base card. Now, because this has crevices, you need to make sure that you get enough glue on there to really adhere to your base card. So really push down to get that in all the crevices. Next, you saw that we have two rectangles on either side, at the top and at the bottom. And we are doing a black and white and red card. So we've decided to do this in black, and we went ahead and textured them. So we're going to leave a little border around this, and so when you glue it down, make sure that you're mindful of that border. And once again, because it has crevices, go ahead and really squish it down. Once again, we're leaving that border right at the top. And now we're just going to put that to the side for just a second. We've cut out our rectangle, and now we're simply bringing in our Marvelous paper, and we've used the black and white. And we have a very small border around this piece of paper. So go ahead and lay it down with your glue. Now, we are going to set this up on dimensionals. Now, we're going to take this cute little otter, and we are going to use our Memento Black and stamp it on a white piece of paper. Look at this cute little guy. Is he not cute? Now you need to bring in your blends, and we are using dark crumb cake and light petal pink. So just go ahead and color the outside of his body in that crumb cake. Now we're going to use this. It's almost a flesh tone for the rest of his body. And I'm using the brush end of it to give me a broader stroke. But I'm being careful not to color the water drops or his nose. And now we're going to bring in our black blend, and we're going to use the pencil end, and we're just barely going to touch his eye, just a little dot, and we're going to color his nose. Now, you are not going to believe where we found the water drops. We're using two paper pumpkins from last year, 2020. The I'll Be Yours paper pumpkin has the Happy Valentines stamp in it, and the No Matter the Weather has the water drops in it and 3 little heart stamps that you can use. So one of the things it has are these little water drops. Now we used our Take Your Pick tool, the rubber side with the wax in it, and you simply pop that off and pick up that water drop and add it to your little guy, to the water splashes. And then go ahead and cut this out. Now, we've already done that right there. We also outlined the water in a beautiful balmy blue. So we're going to add that to the top of this, and we're going to put it right here in the corner. Look how cute that is. And we're going to set him up on dimensionals. And you really don't need very many dimensionals. Right there in the corner, look at this cute card. And now what we did is we used this dry embossing folder to go ahead and emboss a piece of paper, and then we used the dies to cut this out. We also cut out this cute little heart, and we're going to stamp it with that Happy Valentine's Day from the Paper Pumpkin Kit. Now we're going to set this up on dimensionals and put it right in the center. And now we're just going to put our heart right here. We're going to set it up on dimensionals. And all that we have left to add is the inside. So go ahead and take a mat, and we are going to stamp our message from this stamp set, and it says, "You are utterly awesome." We'll go ahead and use our real red. And now we are going to use the heart from the paper pumpkin and stamp it on either side. Take your glue and simply adhere this to the inside of your card. And remember, stay with us because we have another one to show you that's a little different. What do you think about that tip? Using your paper pumpkins from last year for those water drops, for the Happy Valentine's Day, and also for these adorable little hearts. Here's the card that we just made. Here's the other card using the blues, so pretty. And here is our other card that we wanted to share. On this one, we used the two little Happy Valentine hearts and use this beautiful purple background, opening it up, and we have our two hearts. Remember, you get this paper and this cute little otter in the celebration catalog. Well, thank you so much for sharing your time with us today. We hope you enjoyed this Valentine's Day card using our cute little awesome otters stamp set. Go out, make it a great day, be kind to yourself and others, and be creative in your crafting. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.